क्या है जियो फाइनेंशियल सर्विस का Q3 का रिजल्ट आ गया और फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2026 का जो प्रॉफिट हुआ एट रेस 269 करोड़ एस करोड़ बिजनेस ड्राइव सर्व इनकम ग्रोथ. Jio Financial Services Ltd reported a consolidated profit of Rs 269 crore for Q3 financial year 2026, as total income more than double year-on-year to Rs 901 crore, driven by a sharp rise in contribution from its core lending, payment, and asset management business. Jio Financial Services Ltd reported a consolidated profit of Rs 269 crore for the third quarter ended December 31, as the company total income more than doubled from a year earlier, led by sharp growth in its core business. Consolidated total income for Q3 financial year 2026 doubled to Rs 901 crore from a year earlier, reflecting higher contribution from lending, payment, asset management, and other fee-based business. Pre-provisioning operating profit increased 7% to Rs 354 crore, with the company noting that the income growth was partly offset by higher expenses in line with the scaling up across business. A key highlight of the quarter was the rising share of income from operating business. Net income from core business accounted for 55% of consolidated net income in Q3 financial year 2026, compared with 20% in the year ago period. Jio Financial Service lending arm continued to scale up rapidly, with the NBFC assets under management rising 4 to 5 times year-on-year and 29% sequentially to Rs 19,049 crore. Gross distributions during the quarter stood at Rs 8,615 crore, nearly doubling on the year. Net interest income from the lending business rose 166% year-on-year to Rs 165 crore, while pre-provisioning operating profit surged 130% to Rs 99 crore. The payment ecosystem also saw strong transaction. The transaction processing volume at Jio Payment Solution climbed 2.6 times year-on-year to Rs 16,315 crore, while gross fee and commission income jumps 4.6 times to Rs 96 crore, with the company maintaining a consistent unit-level gross margin of about 10 basis points. At Jio Payment Bank, total income grew tenfold, Rs 61 crore, supported by a sharp rise in transaction throughput. Deposit stood at Rs 507 crore as of December 31, up 94% on year, while the customer base expanded to 3.2 million.